Lovelies, welcome to my channel. So I'm here today to share with you some lipstick color that's a must-have for women of color. The list is not exhaustive though, especially during the sunny days. As I was going through my lipstick collection, I realized that some colors are constant during sunny days. Year in, year out, these colors have been with me when the sun is shining. So why not do a video to help a girl out there? So without chatting too much, I hope you guys purple lip color. This color is very beautiful on deep skin tones. I'm talking about dark skin. It looks very beautiful on dark skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it now, so that you guys can see how it looks. Look how gorgeous it looks. Going for the purple with nude undertones. And if you're a medium to light skin and you still want to wear the purple, go in for the ones with pink undertones. With that being said, and looking at how it looks on my skin tone, I would say the purple lip is definitely a must-have for the spring-summer days. Next is the bright orange lip. This lip color is perfect for medium to light skin or brown skin, depending on where you live in the world. So I'm going to, even though I'm not the same skin tone as the tones who are supposed to wear it, I'm going to apply it so that you guys see how it looks. This is a liquid lipstick, by the way. This color, guys, my gosh, it's stunning. I just love this color. Even though I'm not the same skin tone, but guys, trust me, if a medium to light skin person wears this, it will look amazing on them. Next is the pink lip color. Even though some deep skin people wear this color, I would rather recommend it for medium to light skin, because even though it's okay, it looks good on deep skin, it looks amazing on light to medium skin. So I would rather recommend it for medium skin. So it's best you wear it if you're a medium to light skin. That's what I mean. So to wear it for you guys to see how it looks, I'm going to use a pink lipstick to line my lips first. Gorgeous. This color is so beautiful. Last but not the least is the Universal Classic Red. This color looks amazing on all skin tones. Name it and red will work for you. So we are going to go ahead and apply it. First, lip liner. This is not my favorite lip liner for red when I want to wear red lip, but it's what I have on hand right now, so that's what I'm going to use. Classic. Nothing beats red, guys. This is it. This color is everything. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave suggestions, questions and comments down below and I'll try to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.